Alright, running the N-scale layout today. We have Fred running his Pennsylvania passenger train here. We've got a GG1. This is a Kato product. Kato. The GG1 running on the N-scale today. Nice passenger train. Full passenger cars there. Looking good on that train. Nice train. And got the little board on the back. Fred's also a B&O fan. Here we have some B&O FT units in the Baltimore, Ohio scheme. Running today. They're all powered. Nice little passenger trains there. B&O caboose. So they've gotten this layout. You can kind of see down the way there how it's all it is. They're still working on it. A lot of work to do on it. Finish it there, especially on this end. But really like that GG1. GG1s are so powerful. I mean, one engine can just pull so much. And nice passenger train. Okay. That's some of the N-scale running today here at the club. Hope you enjoy that.